Hey there! Today we'll get to know Vela Studio. With super simple AI edit tools tailor-made for e-commerce, you'll have fun as you make your listings look better than ever. When you click into Studio, you can easily manage all of your images across listings. But we're going to jump right into the best part and start editing. Stay tuned for more about the library later in this video. Let's select an image. We can remove the background instantly, endpoints appear, and you can scale the product. You can start simple with these colored backgrounds, upload your own background images, or apply backgrounds from our massive library. The background images you choose will be saved here, so they can be easily repurposed for other listings. With these endpoints, you can scale or rotate the item to create a perfect scene. Now, we're ready for the exciting part, our AI background generator. Use your own prompt or type some notes and select Prompt Assist to transform what you've written into robust instructions for the best image possible. Let's click Generate and the magic happens. We get 3 custom background options. We actually take what you're selling into consideration when creating the background and generate prompts that produce exceptional e-commerce photography. For more possibilities, you can update the prompt or just click Generate again. When you're ready to save, you have 2 options. To save the existing photo, which will instantly update all listings the image is attached to, or save as a new photo in the library, which can be added to listings later. But wait, there's more. Let's explore the expand and crop feature with this scene featuring one of our art prints. We have all the size presets you could ever need here, for any application you can think of across all your shops and social channels. We want to adapt this image to use in an Instagram story. We click Expand, and Vela's AI fills out the scene beautifully to the proper proportions. Every detail is perfectly matched, down to the herringbone floor pattern. We can now save, download, and post it to Instagram. The ability to post directly from Vela is coming as well. The same presets are available for crop, so you can work in either direction, scaling up or down to make every image work for you, anywhere you need to share it. We can improve the appearance of any photo as well. Let's enhance this image with AI. The skin texture and lighting improve instantly. We can also apply filters and make manual edits using the sliders here. You can experiment freely and undo or revert to a prior state with these buttons until it's saved. As promised, let's jump back to the library and check out how you can streamline image management across your whole shop. All photos in your shop will already be imported and organized here. Anything you've added to a listing, plus any photos you've uploaded to the library in the past. When we hover over a photo, we see a few options that will help us manage the image. First, we can add alt text with AI or manually. We can directly replace that photo across all connected listings, download it to edit or share elsewhere, or delete it. It's important to note that choosing Delete here removes the image from all existing listings. We can easily see how many listings that photo is connected to. By default, listings are sorted in the library by number of listings connected, with the highest first. You don't need to do anything to link these photos to existing listings. If it's already one of your listing images, it's connected here. To see the full list of connected images, click into the Edit window and choose Show All at the bottom right. You can also sort by when the photo was last edited, choose to lead with the newest or oldest images, and locate specific images by searching by title or SKU. You can upload photos directly to Studio with the Upload button at top right. You can also select multiple photos, delete and download in bulk. You can organize photos into folders in bulk the same way, checking multiple images to select them, and choosing the Move button at top right to add them to a new or existing folder. You can also drag and drop them to the folder list on the left. And that's Vela Studio. Organize, optimize, edit, and resize with the power of AI, streamlining your shop while making it more beautiful than ever before. We can't wait to see what you create.